In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Kajabi, step by step. Whether you're starting fresh with a new contact list or transferring from another platform, this guide will make the process smooth and efficient. To begin, you need to log into your Kajabi account. It's a straightforward process just like signing into any other online service. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Kajabi dashboard, which is the command center for your courses, products, and of course, your contacts. Next, navigate to the contacts section. You can usually find this in the main menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on contacts will take you to an overview of your contact management area. From here, you want to zero in on all your current contacts, so click on All Contacts. This will display your entire list and is the starting point for adding new entries. Now that you're in the All Contacts section, your next move is to Add Contacts. Look for the button that says Add Contacts, typically positioned prominently on the page. Clicking this button will take you to the part where you can input new contacts either manually or through an upload. To streamline the process, we'll focus on uploading a file containing your contacts. So go ahead and click on Upload File. When you select this option, Kajabi will prompt you to choose a file from your device. Make sure your file is formatted correctly, typically as a CSV file, which Kajabi can easily read and import. Take a moment here to organize your file properly. Ensure that your columns are labeled correctly, such as names, emails, phone numbers, and any other relevant details. This setup will ensure that Kajabi correctly maps the data when it imports the file, making your contact management efficient and more organized. Once you've selected your file and uploaded it, Kajabi will take a moment to process the data. During this step, you get to review the contacts, allowing you to spot and fix any errors or duplicates. It's a handy feature that saves time compared to editing errors one by one after import. After checking the details and confirming everything looks good, proceed to finalize the import process. Kajabi will then integrate your contacts into its system efficiently. And just like that, you've successfully imported your contacts into Kajabi. Following this step-by-step guide ensures that you stay organized and make the most of Kajabi's powerful features. Feel free to revisit any part of this video if you need to refresh specific steps. Happy managing, and until next time, make sure your contacts are always up to date.